Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Today we are going to learn about the phonic sound of letter A. As all of us know that we have 26 letters in English. So today we will start with first letter. That is A. A says A. A, A, A. A says A. A, A, A. A says apple. A, A, apple. A says X. A, A, X. A says ant. A, A, ant. A says arrow. A, A, arrow. A says aeroplane. A, A, aeroplane. A says anchor. A, A, anchor. A says alligator. A, A, alligator. So, now we will recite a small rhyme on letter A. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, it's causing me alarm. So kids, if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. In the next video, I will tell you the formation of letter A. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Thank you.